3 ways to make money on Instagram even with only 1,000 followers. You've probably heard stories of Instagram users cashing in on the photos they snap and share every day. You might have even looked at your own sizable following and thought, maybe I can do that too. There are numerous ways to earn money on Instagram. In this video, we'll guide you about 3 ways to make money on Instagram even with only 1,000 followers. Are 1,000 followers enough? As you are planning to start generating earnings using your Instagram account, you might be wondering how many followers you need to start making money on Instagram. The short answer is not as many as you think. While many famous Instagrammers make thousands of dollars per post, even micro-influencers with highly engaged followings of 1,000 have the potential to generate revenue on Instagram. But growth is always a good indicator of success, so always work to increase your followers, and if you're struggling to make it possible, let's try Star YouTube to have your desired number of followers on your account. Depending on your content, your audience, and your level of dedication, you can make money on Instagram in the following 3 ways. 1. Get sponsored by brands to drive their sale. An influencer is someone who has built a good reputation and loyal following by sharing content regularly on their social accounts. They have a good audience and they're able to persuade their audiences to jump onto trends and buy certain products from particular brands. They have this capability because they've spent a lot of time building confidence and relationships with their followers. Brands are likely to collaborate with influencers to do sponsored posts that help spread the word about their products. To get to this point, you need to have a big size and reach of your Instagram account, as well as consistent posts that generate strong engagement from your audience. Popular influencers make thousands of dollars per sponsored post. Just keep in mind that it takes a long time and a lot of hard work and talent to be a famous influencer. It's achievable for sure, but make sure you manage your expectations if you choose this route. 2. Start your own online store. Over the last few years, Instagram has turned into a good sales generator for e-commerce businesses. It's, without any doubt, one of the best platforms to start your own online store. Instagram offers a way for businesses to showcase their product catalog and reach new customers on Instagram using their shop feature. An Instagram shop lets you integrate your product catalog with your Instagram profile. In this way, this allows you to promote your products directly to Instagram users through your posts, stories, in the Explore tab, and in a special shop tab on your profile. 3. Sell your visual content. As you know, Instagram is basically a visual platform. People upload 100 million plus of photos and videos each day. As a photographer, you can easily earn some extra cash, or even start a new career, by selling your visual content on Instagram. Photographers of numerous skill levels are in great demand for their work, now more than ever. Everyone from large companies, small and medium-sized businesses to bloggers, graphic designers, marketers, and publishers buy and use photos regularly online. Instagram could be a great platform to help you sell your visual content. The bottom line: Instagram is, without doubt, one of the fastest growing social media platforms with the highest engagement, so it's easy to make money on the platform if you use it the right way. From sponsored posts to social media marketing services, there are countless ways for anyone to make earnings on Instagram. In short, putting time and effort into Instagram is a good investment that builds over time. And it's never too late to start making money using your Instagram account. Feel free to share your way to earn money using your Instagram account in the comment section.